Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to screencast OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Before you start the video, you should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So, in order to screencast, you need to connect your phone and your smart TV on same Wi-Fi. So, after that, you need to swipe down the notification panel. Then you need to swipe left. You can see the option called screencast. You can see you need to click on that. Then agree the terms. Click turn on. Now it's searching for the nearby devices. Now the TV is listed here. You need to click on that and click start now. Now the phone display is displayed into the smart TV. You can view your photos or videos, or you can even play games on the big screen. So it's a very useful feature. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.